All right, welcome back to another portfolio update. Right now, the market is still open. We are up 788 for the past week. We are up 48.22. 1 month 73.59. 3 months 18,951. It's been a crazy year. The year to date 23,338. 1 year 25,265. And overall, it's 35,759, 98%. So, as you guys can see, the title of the video, um, this is pretty much, I think it's a cheat code, I guess I want to call it for me, with dividends and margin. So, let's get into it. What I mean by that. Well, actually, first, let me show you what's going on. I did sell SMCI call. I was assigned 200 or two contracts last week. I'll show you guys the total. So this is a new one. 200 shares, average cost, it was a $34 put. It was assigned, so average cost is 33.09. And luckily it's been going up. So now I'm up 22.57. I do have a call for next week at a $44 strike. We'll see how next week goes, if I'm going to roll it or not. But the price is above 44 now. So total, I'm up over 2,200 bucks. So not bad. All right, so let's get into the glitch, not the glitch, the cheat code, I guess, not a glitch. Cheat code that I've been using, margin. So as you guys know, I've been using Robinhood Gold and margin. I have a total of 66,000 in margin right now, using 21,000. Collateral right now, it's 3,100, which is an option on a call that I have that's going to expire, or not on a put, it's going to expire today. So being charged on $21,000, I'm paying interest of 339 per day at 6%, which is not bad for the type of or the amount of dividends that I'm receiving. So, all right, just so you guys can see the cheat code here that I've been using, and this is not for everybody. This is just for me. I'm just showing you guys what my account is doing. So I put in 1,000 shares. If you guys are new, I bought 1,000 shares of TSLY, which is Max's Tesla Option Income Strategy ETF. Okay. So I bought 1,000 shares, average cost 14.51. So that was $14,000, 14,500 total that I spent. Luckily, that ETF is up, about almost 1,000. So we're at 866. And this is all purchased with margin money. Okay, so, and I'll show you guys what's going on. So you guys can see here, I had some shares, then I purchased the rest, 13.94 right here. It was all margin money. And if you go into the dividend payments, these are the dividend payments I've been receiving. If I add all of these up, it's just a little bit over $4,000 in payments already. The last one of the biggest ones this month, 1,200 bucks. Now, of course, the payments fluctuate a lot. If you guys can see, the November payment was 598. The October was 1,000. September was 800. So it's going to fluctuate a lot. But I spent 14,000 of margin money, paying less than $3 a day in interest, plus receiving about $1,000 average per month. That's huge. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to keep letting this roll. So every month, I'm going to let it pay the margin. So every payment that comes in pays down the margin. The daily interest goes down. So I don't know if I should try it with other ones. I was thinking of adding YMAX or YMAG, which is it's more. It's not just a single company. It's a bunch of different ones that they use, and they pay every week. So I'm thinking of maybe adding those. I don't know, using the margin money. So YMAX would be, oops, wrong one. YMAX would be this one. It's $18.61, and I think it pays around 20 cents a week. And then, or Mag 7, and I think it pays about 30 cents, or they either one, I don't remember which one, but they pay about 20 to 30 cents each per week. So I was thinking of adding this, maybe 1,000 shares. That's like 19,000 bucks, $20,000, and I would receive about $200 to $300 per week every Friday. So sounds pretty interesting. I might do that, but I first want to reduce the margin that I'm using. I'm using 21,384. Most of it coming from the last purchase of SMCI. Now, I could sell this next week or now, or get out of this option first and then sell them and profit an extra 2 grand. So that would bring down almost half the margin being used. I also did use margin for this one. I did purchase at 16,000, but with all the dividends that are coming in and the options that I'm trading, the margin account debt has been coming down. This one was also, what other ones did I buy on margin? Pretty much a few other ones, but just wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on with the account. Yeah, 21,000 in margin being used, about three something a day that I'm paying in interest. And I'll show you guys those payments. Let's see, I think I could show you right here. We can go to history, drop this down to margin, there we are. So these are the margin payments that I've been paying. November was the highest, 178, based on 34,000 being used. Um, this one was on 24,000 used, but the rate was a little bit higher. This one was on 20,000 being used with a rate even higher. So at this rate, I'm paying about $100 a month on the 21,000 that I'm using. So it's not too bad if I'm receiving over $1,000 in dividend payments. So that's what's going on, guys. These are all my options that I have right now. They're going to expire today, all the December 6th. Then I have this one for next week. These are just two that I played with, which is Kohl's and Home Depot. Not doing good on these. I got to stop buying calls or buying puts. I usually sell calls or sell puts. So every time I try to buy options, I lose money. So I got to be careful. Like this one, I'm down 256. On Kohl's, I'm down 30 bucks. So not bad. But on everything else, it's making money. Every time I sell a call or sell a put, when I sell, I make money. When I buy, I don't. So I don't know. You guys tell me how you're doing on your calls or options. Doing puts, calls, what are you selling, buying? Leave it in the comments. And these are the holdings that I have. I want to add more dividend paying ones. Obviously, Robinhood is doing great right now. Average cost 34. It's at 441 almost. So profit there. But I'm going to keep selling calls since I have 100 shares on Robinhood and also GameStop too. 100 shares, I keep selling calls on that. So, all right, guys, just wanted to give you a quick update on this cheat code that I have for my dividends. It's working out great right now for the past 4 months. So let me know what you think. I know it could be risky, but this is my account, just showing you guys what I'm doing. All right, thanks.